Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to import multiple videos in CapCut on PC. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we first need to do is obviously open up your CapCut on your PC or laptop. Then from here, go ahead and click on Create Project. Now once you're inside Create Project, on the top left here it says import. It says drag and drop the videos, photos and audio files here. So go ahead and click onto that and then find those videos you would like to import inside CapCut. So in my downloads I've got a few videos here, so I want to import that one. I'm going to control click these, so I want to import these 4 videos here. So I'm going to go open, and now as you can see these are being put onto my, and now from here just simply drag them into your timeline, and that's how to import videos inside CapCut. There's no limit as far as I'm aware of how many videos you can import at once. If there is, let me know in the comments below.